proud moment for all of us as India bags 7 Wildlife Photographer Awards in different fields for the very first time. Let's check it out. The Wildlife Photographer of the Year is developed and produced by the Natural History Museum, London. This year's competition attracted over 49,000 entries from professionals and amateurs across 86 countries. The photography competition received entries from across the world, and the top prize was backed by the Russian photographer Sergei Gorshkov. So for a stunning image of a Siberian tigress hugging an ancient Manchurian fir tree, the Russian photographer who captured this image spent 11 months in the pursuit of the extraordinary shot that led him to be named 2020's Wildlife Photographer of the Year. So to begin with India's pride, 23 years old Aishwarya Sridhar, a wildlife photographer from Panvel, Maharashtra, has become the first Indian woman whose photograph titled Lights of Passion has won the highly commended award at the 56th Wildlife Photographer of the Year 2020. Aishwarya shot a beautiful sight of one tree sparkling top to bottom with innumerable number of fireflies under the star-lit sky of Bhandardara village in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. For the category of 10 years and under, Bengaluru's Vidyun R. Heber made it to the highly commended list. His photograph shows a signature spider hanging in its newly built web over a roadside. Arshdeep Singh received a special mention in the 11 to 14 years old category for his image of an endangered red Sank-Dauk langur. A stunning shot of a large male gharial carrying its offsprings also made it to the judges' highly commended list. The picture was clicked at the National Chambal Sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh by Dhritiman Mukherjee. In the grasslands outside Chennai in Tamil Nadu, Sambat Subaiya managed to photograph an eagle swooping down on a snake. Subaiya's photo won appreciation as a part of Wildlife Photographer of the Year award in the Birds Behavior category. In the category of Urban Wildlife, Masood Hussein's image of a leopard on the wall of an abandoned village school received a special mention. The picture was captured in a village near Nagpur while the photographer was driving home after a day of tracking tigers. Also in the category of Urban Wildlife, the image of leopard moving silently across a porch in a suburban of Mumbai received a special mention. Nayan Khanolkar photographed the leopard as the inhabitants of the house of Warli tribals slept peacefully at night. And finally, the winner of the Wildlife Photographer of the Year Portfolio Award went to Ripan Biswas of Cooch Behar for a startling image of a weaver ant gripping the leg of a tiger beetle. Next update is from the Wildlife Week 2020, which was conducted all over the world in the October 1st week. So marking the celebration, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar said that the government is working towards the upgradation and development of 160 zoos in PPP, that means public-private partnership across the country to encourage interaction between the wildlife and humans. The next update is from the Uttarakhand. Yes, the Asan Conservation Reserve has become Uttarakhand's first Ramsar site, making it a wetland of international importance. The reserve is located on the banks of Yamuna River near Dehradun district in Garhwal region. With this addition, the number of Ramsar sites in India goes up to 38, which is the highest in South Asia. So the feat of glory doesn't end here, as India's 8 beaches got Global Blue Flag certificate by the Foundation for Environmental Education, FEE. So let's go through this short clip to know more about this.